the Adarsh Nagar. Nowadays we are seeing that day by day water is going waste. To prevent this, this one method to purify water and use it for different purpose. First, in industries, industry releases chemicals into the ponds. The pond water is polluted completely. This water is goes waste. To prevent this, we are using this process. The pond water is goes to first tank, which is known as screaming. In this process, the water is passed to the bar, in which large particles such as polythene bags or any plastic covers are removed. It is pumped to the another tank, which is known as a flocculation. In this, some chemicals are added to it. In this, the flock-like particles are formed in it, which are very sticky, and they attract all the large particles towards it. Then it is pumped to the third tank, which is known filtration. This is an important part of the water purifying system. In this system, the chemicals added to destroy the flock particles, which attracts the larger particles, which has pumped from the second tank. This clean water, somewhat clean water, is pumped to the fourth tank, which is known as disinfection. In this, the chemicals such as chlorine is added to it to make it pure by killing the bacteria and virus. They cause harmful to the human life. Now here it destroys the chemical and bacteria. Virus which is present in the water. It is now pumped to the storage tank, in which the water is completely purified and it can use for drinking purpose, bathing, and many more other etc. Thank you.